Welcome back to the lecture series of Python programming. In this session, I'm going to discuss two important function or two important method called random.choice and random.shuffle. So these are the most important method which is applicable for the data structure. So moving on to the discussion, how random.choice and how about the work operation of random.shuffle, I would like to explain with help of some example. I found this question one of the repeated question for your university examination. That's why you can prepare for the similar kind of question in the forthcoming examination. So the purpose of random dot choice in the data structure is the main intention is the choice method return randomly selected element from the specified sequence. It is applicable for like a string or list or tuple or any other kind of data type. So if I go for like a random dot choice, the thing is it will randomly pick or it will randomly select any one of the item in the particular data type. Okay, so that is a peculiarity of the random dot choice. As you can observe, I am explaining random dot choice. I put the commenting after putting writing like a hash random. That means it's a part of commenting. I'm importing one module called a random module. I have defined the list, namely my list. So there are three items, apple, banana, and cherry. These are called items. So if I use like a random dot choice my list, the thing is any one of the item, all items are equal probability to select. But fortunately or unfortunately, here there is a choice like apple has been selected. I think it's clear to everybody. So let me proceed further. So this is another example. So if you select any one of the, for example, we have the list called my list, namely 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 items. If I apply like a random dot choice my list, if I use this method in this particular data structure, this is a list data structure. So any one of the item will be selected. Each item is having equal probability. Here, the fortunately item 1 is selected. So now I would like to discuss about what do we mean by random shuffle. So you know what is shuffling, changing the sequence or changing the order. That is why we are using like a shuffle. Just change the sequence of elements. That's why we are using shuffle. So here the thing is we are changing the order. As you can observe, we have already imported a module called a random module. We are talking about the random shuffle. I put a commenting. So we have the list called my list. The name of the elements are apple, banana, and cherry. Okay, so there are 3 items available. So if I apply like a random dot shuffle, let's see what will happen. So you can type the same code in your interpreter. So if I type directly like a my list, print my list. So my list is already available here. So I'm applying like a random dot shuffle method. If I use this, I'll be getting the result as like changing the order or changing the sequence of items. So I'm getting like a banana, apple, and cherry, which is the shuffling has been happened here. Okay, I think it's clear to all. Another example, we have one of the list called 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, this is one of the list. If I apply like random dot shuffle, then what will happen? Obviously, the sequence is getting changed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's in the order. But if I apply like a shuffle, okay, shuffle list is 5, 1, 4, 2, 3. So the sequence has been changed. So in this session, we studied about the how to apply random dot choice method and random dot shuffle method in the data structure. It is applicable for like a tuple, list, or any other type. So if you have any queries, you can put down in the comment box. I'm happy to answer back. Thanks for watching this video. Let me know if you have any further queries. Happy learning.